Okay. So now I would
Okay,
like to,
sure.
so now I would like to request Mr. Nitin Taneja from Eco Circle. So Eco Circle is working in the waste management sector and they are providing their services for the whole management solutions, waste management solutions. So now I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Nitin and he will take us through the whole compliance and regulations which are happening from the Pollution Control Board in India over the toy industry. So Nitinji, over to you now, and please take this session forward.
Yeah, thank you, Vishal. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. My name is Nitin Taneja, and I'm Senior Operation Manager at Eco Circle Eikomp Services Private Limited. I'm here to introduce EPR compliance that is called Extended Producer Responsibility. The e-waste management rules applies to those involved in electrical, electronic equipment manufacturing, sales, transfer, purchase, collection, storage, and processing. The major stakeholders are producers, manufacturers, recyclers, consumers, and bulk consumers. If we talk about toys industry, the major products are in e-waste like electronic cranes, cars, racing cars, car sets, video games consoles, video games, computer bikes, driving, running, rolling, coin slot machines, sports equipments, like all are includes in toys industries for e-waste EPR management. So here in EcoCircle, we are providing end-to-end solutions for EPR management, like collection, awareness, recycling of material, collection centers, and everything. Uh, EPR Management Rule 22 is applicable from 1st April